Hi, dear children. Welcome to the next session on the chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. In the last class, we had learned about the Mendelian disorders, which is caused due to a mutation of a single gene, and the inheritance pattern of these disorders follows the Mendelian principles of inheritance. And these Mendelian disorders can be either autosomal or they can be sex-linked, and they can be either dominant or they can be recessive. And in this module, we are going to learn about the chromosomal disorders. We learned that the genetic disorders are of two types, Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders. So let's begin with what are chromosomal disorders. It is caused due to a loss or an excess or an abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. So it is either due to a loss or an excess and an abnormal arrangement of chromosomes. And there are two types of chromosomal disorders. They are aneuploidy and polyploidy. They are aneuploidy and polyploidy. Let us learn what are these. Aneuploidy is due to the failure in the segregation of the chromatids at meiosis II stage. During meiosis, we know it is the reductional division which helps in the formation of gametes. And at the time of meiosis, there are two stages. Meiosis I, which involves the separation of what? It is separation of the homologous chromosomes. And during meiosis II, it involves a separation of, yes, can you give the answer? It involves a separation of the chromatids. So failure of these chromatids at the time of cell division, it results in either a loss or a gain of chromosome. And this is called as aneuploidy. Examples of aneuploidy are Down syndrome, Turner syndrome. Is it clear? Down syndrome is due to an excess of a single chromosome. Turner syndrome is due to a loss of an X chromosome. So we will learn all these in detail. Whereas polyploidy, we know we are 2n. We are 2n diploid. We have two sets of haploid chromosomes. So this failure of cytokinesis. What is cytokinesis? It is nothing but the division of the cytoplasm and is followed after telophase. So failure of the cytokinesis after telophase results in an increase in number of sets of chromosomes, and this is called as polyploidy, which is seen in plants. Normal human beings have 46 chromosomes that are arranged in 23 pairs. However, even a slight variation from this pattern causes abnormalities or disorders. The chromosomal disorders are caused due to changes in chromosome number or changes in chromosome structure. Changes in chromosome number, it occurs due to the non-disjunction of chromosomes, which is the failure of chromatids to separate at the time of cell division. And this failure of separation of chromatids leads to either two conditions, that is aneuploidy or euploidy. Aneuploidy occurs when one or more chromosomes, they are either gained or they are lost. Aneuploidy are of two types, trisomy and monosomy. A normal diploid individual has 2n number of chromosomes. However, when an extra chromosome is added, the condition is called as trisomy, that is a 2n plus 1 condition. Whereas when a chromosome is lost or when a chromosome of any pair is absent, the condition is known as monosomy, that means 2n minus 1 condition. Euploidy is a polyploidy condition where more than two haploid sets of chromosomes are formed due to the failure of cytokinesis after the telophase stage. Depending on the number of chromosome sets added, euploidy can be either triploidy, that means 3n condition, or tetraploidy, 4n condition, or pentaploidy 5n condition, and so on. Now let us learn about some chromosomal disorders that arises due to changes in the chromosome number. Down syndrome or trisomy 21 is caused due to the presence of extra copy of the 21st chromosome. And it was Dr. Langdon Down, a British doctor, who first discovered this disorder, and hence the name Down syndrome. The symptoms are a swollen face, a bulging and slanting eyes, a small mouth, and protruding and furrowed tongue. Some other common symptoms of the disorder are short stature, small round head, and a broad palm with a single crease, and retarded physical, psychomotor, and mental development. Another disorder we have to learn is Klinefelter syndrome. It is a condition in which males have an additional X chromosome, which results in a karyotype 47, that is XXY. Klinefelter syndrome is also called as XXY syndrome, and it was named after Dr. Harry Klinefelter, who was the first to describe the disorder. It is one of the most common sex chromosomal disorder in males and show symptoms like poor bed growth, narrow shoulders, gynecomastia, that means breast development, and underdeveloped testes. Moreover, such males are sterile. Another disorder caused due to changes in chromosome number are Turner syndrome, where one of the X chromosome is absent in females. Chromosomes in these females will be 45 with XO. The syndrome is named after Henry Hubert Turner, an endocrinologist who first described it. Females have symptoms such as webbed neck, constriction of aorta, poor breast development, underdeveloped ovaries, and short stature. Moreover, such females are usually sterile and have health problems like diabetes, hearing and vision problems, and hypothyroidism. Just like changes in chromosomal number, any change in the structure or arrangement of genes can lead to chromosomal disorders. Changes in chromosomal structure can take place in many forms. Sometimes a portion of the chromosome gets deleted, or sometimes it can get duplicated, or it can get transferred to another chromosome. While some of these structural changes in chromosomes are inherited, others takes place accidentally when the reproductive cells are being formed or during early fetal development. Jacobson's syndrome and Cry-Duchat syndrome are some disorders caused due to changes in chromosomal structure. Therefore, chromosomes hold the genetic key to all the functions of our body, and any change in the number and structure of chromosomes can lead to chromosomal disorders.